Hi everybody, this is Dr. Nichols-Boyle. This is just going to be a short video to briefly explain how to use internal linking. So these are links to other places within the document. So I'm going to show you on Word, and this is one of the reasons why I want you to have a Word document, because a PDF will not allow this kind of links to display. So I'll show you on one of these examples that I gave you for an outside client. She already has some set up, but I'm just going to walk you through the process of how you would do this. So first of all, you have to decide where you want to link to. So for one, you're going to have your table of contents linked to each of these different sections. So if someone is reading this, they could obviously just choose one of these sections and go right to it. So this is what internal linking looks like when it's done. Excuse me. So if you want to go straight to the introduction, you just click on here and it'll take you straight to the introduction. And then, of course, the difficult part is now I'm at the introduction, and now I want to go to a different section, or I want to get back to the table of contents. So return to table of contents, go back and find something else. So I just really wanted to look at information navigation really quick in the content. So it takes me to that section. But again, you have to have a way of getting back. And this is also particularly important for, the period should be on the other side, for the figures in the tables that you have. So if you have like see table 6.1, if they wanted to go look at that, then if they wanted to go back to the spot, they'd have to scroll all the way up, which is such a pain. So instead, you would create these internal links where you'd have like return to organized information, which is the section that it came from. So if you click on that, it'll take you right back to the same area. So they can take a look and go back and forth with ease. And then again, if I wanted to go back to a different section entirely, I could just return to the table of contents. So that's how it works. So how do we create them? First, you want to see where do I want to link to. So let's say that I was creating one for the letter transmittal or the cover letter, right? First, I have to create a bookmark where I want to link to. So I want to link to the cover letter. So I'm going to move my cursor to the top of the cover letter here. And I'm going to, if you're at the home page, I'm going to go to Insert and Bookmark. And then I will name it something like cover letter or letter of transmittal, whatever you want to name it. Now, there's already one here because we created, but let's say we're creating a new one. You'll notice it has to be one word. So if you have created more than one word, it will not accept it. So if I try to type in cover letter with a space, you'll see I won't be able to add it. So you have to put it as one together. So we'll name this something different, just to add something new. I'll just say transmittal letter instead. Something like that. And add. Okay, it won't show up, but there is a bookmark there. So then, if I wanted to link the letter of transmittal, let's assume this was not linked. If I wanted to, we'll just remove it so I can show you. So let's say this isn't linked. I want to link this to the letter of transmittal, the covered letter. I just highlight the words I want. I go back into Insert and Hyperlink this time. But instead of choosing the web page or file, which is what it defaults to, that's an external link, I'll choose this document. I believe it's similar in the PC. And then I'll go into my headings here and choose the one I want. So I could either choose cover letter or I think I had transmittal letter, something like that. And click OK. And now, when I click this, it will go straight there to the cover letter. And again, you want to add in ways of getting back to the table of contents or getting back to the section. So the same kind of thing. If you wanted to do the table of contents, I'll just run through it one more time quickly. You would have to make sure that you're at the table of contents, insert a bookmark, table of contents, add, and then I would have to create this kind of link. So if I remove this link, I just had return to table of contents. I could either link all of it, or I could just link table of contents, insert hyperlink to this document in the bookmarks. I'll find table of contents right here. Okay. And now when I click that, it'll take me right there. So that's it. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. You can rewatch the video if you're having a little bit of difficulty understanding, and always, as always, ask me questions if you need to. Hope that helps.